Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So I'm vlogging with my M50 for today, and nagmadali na ako kasi I slept really late na naman. So pangit na naman yung sleeping pattern ko. Nagmadali ako kasi meron tayong event with Facebook for today. So nag-curl pods ako. Again, these are from Babyliss. So I posted an Instagram story kagabi. I love them so much, guys. So ito yung before. I'll show you the after in a bit. And then the dress I'm wearing is from Zara. So let me know if you like the quality of the EOS M50. Again, wala pa akong tripod na hawak ngayon, so medyo wobbly. Nanginginig yung kamay ko, ewan ko bakit. So I'll try super hard na hindi tumingin sa side kasi nasa side yung LCD niya ngayon. But I love it. And look at this. You can really zoom in. Kita niyo yun? Ang bilis ng focus. Ayan. So naka-eyeliner lang ako for today. Pencil liner lang. Hindi na ako nag-liquid liner masyado. Here's the after, guys. O diba? Sobrang bilis. That took only a few minutes. Grabe. I love it. So, I'll do a separate video na lang reviewing this. Kasi girl, oh, ang ganda. Nabili ko siya sa Zalora. At the Facebook Philippines office. Hey! Wala si Mila. Actually, medyo late ako. Ang naabutan ko lang is the Instagram. Yung bago sa Instagram. Ito yung Facebook wall. There's food. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. We have Asian glazed chicken lollipops. We have sweet potato chips. Yeah. And then dessert. Girl. So, imitas ko yung focus na doon, guys. And then sa labas, parang meron silang deck. Ang galing. Sana hindi umulan. Look at that. Kain mo din ng konti. Super gutom na ako. Anyway, after this, we're gonna go straight to SM Mega Mall. And then, hahabol na lang tayo sa RB Chanko na event. Bakit sobrang quality? Nice. Ganda na quality. This is called the Micro Kitchen. Ganda ng mga ano. Anyway, let's eat. I'm here at Fujifilm. Papadevelop ko yung mga disposable cameras from Japan.
40 pages.
Yan, dalawa na yung naubos. Now here at Forever 21. So, mag-fit na ako ng mga clothes. So, this is at the Mega Mall branch. Sobrang lahat ng clothes available. Please, yung mga kalat na ilagay nyo sa pag-mo. Iiwan. Nakakaloka kayo. Kalat mo, ilagay mo sa pag-mo or sa packet mo. I really like this one. So, pretty. Maxi dress. Fit pa na ito. I also really like this one, guys. Was able to nap for a bit, and now I'm up again para mag-film. So I have a bunch of paper bags piling up na naman. Sabi ko, girl, hindi na ulit. Never again na mapupuno na naman tong makeup room ko and then mahihirapan na naman ako mag-ayos. So, no. So, inayos ko. Tanggal ko yung mga paper bags. So, inassemble ko muna yung mga shoes dyan. Bukas pa ako makakabili ng shoe racks. So anyway, we're gonna be filming videos today bago tayo matulog. Let me show you how I retouch, guys. So, look at that. Grabe yung oil. So, this is how I retouch. I remove muna lahat ng oil sa mukha ko kasi you can't directly put on powder naman, diba? Ang ginagamit ko is from NYX Blemish Control Blotting Paper. There you go. Tapos na mag-film, so we're gonna go edit na and then go to sleep. I have to purchase batteries for tomorrow and then get my nails done, and then we have an event with Benefit. I actually don't feel so good. Parang weird lang yung feeling ko. But anyway, it's probably because I've been sleeping late ilang araw na. So anyway, that's it for the vlog today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Done with my makeup, guys. So, sobrang simple lang for today. We're gonna go to the Benefit event. And my outfit for today is this one. Yung H&M top. And then, I think H&M din tong shorts ko na to. Pink kasi nga, Benefit event tayo. Love it. Diba kagabi nag-film pa ako, pero hindi ako nakapag-edit kasi sobrang pagod na ako. And then, I watched the K-drama, yung Oh My Venus. Grabe, ayoko na talaga. Pag ako talaga nanood ng mga series, nakaka-addict talaga. So, oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm looking forward to watching it again tonight. Pero for today, mag-Benefit event muna tayo. Ang payat ko, hindi grabe.
Basta tanggal ka na ngipin.
Makakatanggal ako mamaya ng 10 ngipin.
Hindi masaya, guys. Hindi ka makakasaya.
Bye, Having dinner! Nasa Bench Cafe kami. Pareho kami na in-order ni Kim. Okay, hindi ko alam bakit may flicker. Hayaan nyo na. Street food.
Yes.
Enjoy it. Hi guys! Getting my nails done here at Dashing Diva. Magpapalinis lang ako. Done with my nails. Linis. So, I'm at PWG. So, I'm just gonna have some evening soup and some tea. Yung favorite ko na Sakura tea. Kasi wala akong makuhang Grab. Anyway, this is potato and broccoli soup. Anyway, ang latest na chika daw is nasusunod ang Mega Mall. Grabe. So, sobrang traffic siguro. Which is why hindi ako makakuha ng Grab. Finally home guys. So, it is now 11 PM. Nahirapan ako kumuha ng Grab. Kaya nga ako nag-PWG para maghintay ng oras. But anyway, I have a new package over here from Dubai. It's from Huda Beauty. And I'll be filming a video tonight na parang unboxing or PR unboxing. Lahat ng mga bago kong nakuha. Kasi I really don't want all the PR packages piling up na naman in my beauty room. So, I'm gonna film. So, I'm gonna end the vlog today or right now. Kasi yung vlog kahapon, hindi ko yung na-edit kasi nga gusto ko merge sila. Anyway, that's it for the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!